Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly climb the ladder of success while others struggle to make ends meet? In this eye-opening video, we're about to unveil the hidden sacrifices that separate the wealthy from the rest. What you're about to learn might shock you. It's not just about hard work and dedication. We'll reveal the uncomfortable truths about what it really takes to become rich, including one surprising sacrifice that most people overlook. This video isn't about wishful thinking. It's about the harsh realities of what it takes to achieve extraordinary wealth. Don't miss out on this crucial information that could change your financial future. Subscribe now to ensure you never miss our wealth-building insights. 1. The family paradox: delaying personal milestones. Successful individuals often postpone starting a family until after they've achieved financial success. This means delaying marriage and children, sometimes well into their 30s or even 40s. For example, Mark Zuckerberg didn't start his family until after Facebook had become a global phenomenon. This sacrifice allows for undivided focus on career goals during crucial early years. The road to financial success demands so much focus and effort that it would be almost impossible to achieve the same level of greatness while being sidetracked by family responsibilities. 2. The health tightrope: balancing wellness and wealth. Many entrepreneurs sacrifice their health in pursuit of wealth, working long hours and neglecting self-care. Elon Musk famously worked 120-hour weeks during Tesla's production ramp-up, sleeping on the factory floor. However, this approach often leads to burnout and health issues, highlighting the importance of finding balance. The paradox is that most people sacrifice health to get money, and then sacrifice money to regain their health. 3. The friend. Filter: curating your inner circle. Successful people often dramatically reduce their social circle, focusing on quality relationships that push them further. Warren Buffett, for instance, is known for his small, carefully chosen group of friends and advisors. This sacrifice of quantity for quality in relationships can lead to more meaningful connections and opportunities. The average future millionaire has just 1-8 close friends, and they themselves are also focused on getting rich, pushing each other further along the way. 4. The hobby. Hiatus: putting passion projects on hold. Aspiring millionaires often put their hobbies on hold to focus entirely on their goals. Jeff Bezos, for example, gave up his passion for video games while building Amazon. This sacrifice of personal interests allows for more time and resources to be devoted to business pursuits. Hobbies, by their nature, produce very little value to both yourself and your immediate environment, demanding time, attention, and often financial resources as well. 5. The time investment: trading present for future gains. The journey to wealth often requires sacrificing 7-10 years of intense focus and work. Brian Chesky, co-founder of Airbnb, spent years living on air mattresses and eating ramen while building his company. This sacrifice of present comfort can lead to long-term financial freedom. It's important to ask yourself, are you willing to eat ramen for several years in order to eat caviar for the rest of your life? 6. The happiness gamble: delayed gratification. Building wealth often means sacrificing short-term happiness for long-term gains. Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx, spent years working door-to-door sales while developing her product. This temporary sacrifice of personal enjoyment can lead to greater fulfillment and options in the future. It's crucial to find a balance between the amount of happiness you're willing to sacrifice in exchange for material gain. 7. The sleep deficit: burning the midnight oil. Many successful people sacrifice sleep to gain more productive hours. Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, famously wakes up at 3:45 a.m. to start his workday. While not sustainable long-term, strategic sleep reduction can provide extra time for crucial tasks and projects. As the saying goes, sleep is for billionaires. Until you become one, you might need to push your limits. 8. The identity shift: reinventing yourself. Getting rich often requires sacrificing your current identity to become the person you need to be. Oprah Winfrey transformed herself from a local news anchor to a media mogul by constantly evolving her skills and persona. This willingness to change and grow is crucial for success. Think of yourself as a work in progress, similar to software, always updating, fixing bugs, and reiterating to become a better version. 9. The entertainment embargo: cutting out distractions. Successful people often sacrifice entertainment and leisure activities to focus on their goals. Mark Cuban gave up watching TV for years while building his first company. This sacrifice of immediate pleasures can lead to greater focus and productivity. There's no need for you to sit down and watch 10 episodes of Friends or spend hours on social media unless you're running a media business. 10. The stability surrender. Embracing uncertainty, getting rich often means sacrificing the comfort of a stable job or lifestyle. Richard Branson left school at 16 to start his first business, embracing the uncertainty of entrepreneurship. This willingness to take risks can lead to exponential rewards. Remember, getting rich is a roller coaster. You need to be prepared for the ups and downs until you reach your destination. 11. The income reinvestment, delaying personal luxuries. Many successful entrepreneurs sacrifice personal income by reinvesting heavily in their businesses. Jeff Bezos famously paid himself a modest $81,840 salary for years, even as Amazon grew into a behemoth. This sacrifice of immediate financial gratification can fuel rapid business growth. Until you make it big, you need to sacrifice your share of the income and put it right back into the business or project. 12. The comfort zone. Exodus. Embracing discomfort. Building wealth often requires sacrificing comfort and embracing challenging situations. Tony Robbins spent years living in a 400 square foot apartment while building his coaching business. This willingness to forego comfort can lead to accelerated personal and professional growth. Many highly successful individuals refer to this period as their ramen phase, surviving on the bare minimum to maximize growth. 13. The popularity purge. Focusing on results, not approval. Successful people often sacrifice the need to be liked in pursuit of their goals. Steve Jobs was known for his sometimes abrasive leadership style, prioritizing results over popularity. This focus on outcomes rather than approval can lead to breakthrough innovations and success. Disagreeable people are statistically more likely to become rich and successful than agreeable people. 14. The pride pivot. Doing whatever it takes, building wealth may require sacrificing pride and taking on unglamorous tasks. Before founding Walmart, Sam Walton worked as a management trainee at JCPenney. This willingness to start from the bottom and do whatever it takes can lay the foundation for future success. If you're too proud to work at a fast food joint through the night while you're working on a project, you'll never be able to make it. 15. The instant gratification ban. Playing the long game. Successful people often sacrifice immediate desires for long-term gains. Warren Buffett famously lives in the same house he bought in 1958, eschewing luxury for long-term investment. This ability to delay gratification can lead to compound growth and lasting wealth. Stay focused on winning the race, not just celebrating small victories along the way. If you're intrigued by the prospect of financial freedom and the lifestyle it brings, don't stop here. Our previous videos delve deeper into the strategies and surprising revelations that can accelerate your journey to wealth. From unconventional investment tactics to little-known habits of the ultra-successful, we've got a wealth of information waiting for you. Ready to take the next step? Click the link in the description to access our exclusive wealth-building resources and start your transformation today.